And now, here are the nominees for achievement in sound mixing. Ad Astra, Gary Rydstrom, Tom Johnson, and Mark Ulano. Ford versus Ferrari, Paul Massey, David Giammarco, and Stephen A. Mara. Joker, Tom Osanich, Dean Supansi, and Todd Maitland. 1917, Mark Taylor and Stuart Wilson. Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, Michael Minkler, Christian P. Minkler, and Mark Ulano.
And the Oscar goes to 1917, Mark Taylor and Stuart Wilson.
This is the first Oscar and third nomination for Mark Taylor. This is the first Oscar win and sixth nomination for Stuart Wilson.
I would like to accept this award on behalf of the entire 1917 sound team, each one of whom did outstanding work on this film, from my guys in the trenches to Mark's team in the studio, for their incredible support. Thanks to our families, Victoria, Ava, and to our producers, Callum, Jane Ann, and Pippa, and Sam Mendes. None of us would be here without you. Thank you.
I'd like to thank Ollie and his great team, Rachel, Mike Fenton, Jambo, Lee Smith, our editor, all the guys who gave us such a great score to work with, Robbie and the guys at Goldcrest, Rob Carlson, and Biddy B. Thank you so much. Thank you.